Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable your SMS on Daraz account. So we're going to stop our text notifications. So first we're going to go to the app. So next we're going to click on the account section. Then we're going to click on settings on the top right corner. Then here we're going to click on message. And once you scroll down, you can see the SMS option turned on. So we're going to click on it. So now we turned off our SMS notifications. So we won't receive anything via SMS. So now we can go back and continue our shopping. I hope this video was a help for you guys. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.